Okay, so today we're going to replace the rear bulb, side light bulb, but it doesn't matter, any bulb is the same on the Audi A1. First thing you need to do is open the boot. So the boot or tailgate is now open. We need to remove 3 covers. This one here, and this one here. So we need a trim removal tool to do that. We've got a 10mm nut here. We should have a 10mm nut here, but we haven't. Someone's obviously not put that on before. We've got a 10mm nut up here as well. And there should be one on there, but there isn't because somebody's not fitted it. So let's go ahead and undo the nuts that we have. Now those nuts are removed, we can just pull the rear light unit out. Obviously easy to do with 2 hands. And there we go. To gain access to the bulbs, just undo these plastic tabs here. And here to release the bulb holder. There's my faulty bulb. Push, turn anti-clockwise to release. Single filament bulb, also known as a 21 watt or an N382S bulb. And now we just put the bulb in and refit in reverse. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.